Really, really simple solution. I think everybody who has a blog should have a native application like MobiLoud because it's so simple to do and you're already doing all the work by creating the content for your blog. Hi, my name is Craig and I'm with The Run Experience. We are a digital training platform for runners where we train runners all around the world by teaching them how to move better, how to be injury-free, and really reach their performance goals. So we primarily started out just as having videos on our website, and then we have a private paid site that actually allows us to give users like programs that they paid for and have a subscription to. And what we really wanted was another touch point. Everybody wanted to be able to access their training and access their content on their mobile phone, and what we were telling them is go to our mobile site, just type in the address or click the link in your email and go to your mobile site. And it really was a bad user experience. And we knew we wanted to have something on mobile, but we didn't want the cost of and the expense of continuing to upkeep a mobile application that we built natively. Yeah, so when we were looking for different options, we looked at MobiLoud. I actually found them because I actually had an app on my phone that was a music app, and I discovered that they were using MobiLoud. And then I looked for other options. I looked at different kind of packages you could buy where they would kind of make like a makeshift WYSIWYG type of application, but the easiest thing that we found with MobiLoud was that it took stuff that we were already doing with our blog and our content and it created an app around that. So it really became kind of an ease of use in terms of how do we get content onto the app? Is it a separate process? And for us, it's seamless now because we're already posting content to our blog. I was actually surprised when I went looking around for this type of solution. One, that there was a solution that was this easy to kind of implement, and two, I didn't find anything even comparable to it. When you're looking for, hey, what do I do when I want to create a mobile application? And I come from the mobile application world. Before my company, The Run Experience, was around, my last company was a mobile application company. We built applications for brands and games. And so I'm very familiar with the amount of work that it takes to build a native iOS app plus an Android app and keep up that code base. And when I went looking for a simple solution, it was surprising to me that I couldn't really find that many really good competitors around this area. What I liked about the MobiLoud, kind of ecosystem is that it allowed us this dynamically changing application, and I didn't have to do anything to upkeep the app at all. So the biggest benefit we found when we were looking at different options, and the biggest benefit that we found with MobiLoud was that, one, it was just ease of use. And then on top of that, we didn't want to have the cost of actually having this app that we had to continually upgrade and update when new versions of the operating system came out or new phones came out. We don't have the development team, and we just really couldn't incur that cost. So when we want to put content onto our application, one of the main benefits is that we have push notifications. So we have over 150,000 people have downloaded our app in less than a year. And when we want to push out new content, we post a blog post, and then we have somebody from our team who creates a small little blurb and pushes that push notification. And then everybody who's ever downloaded our app gets that push notification and knows there's new content in the app. Yeah, one of the nice things about the interface is that it's super easy to use. Once you go on your WordPress site, we're already in our WordPress site. That's where we do a lot of our work and our content generation. So to actually put the push notification out is simple. I mean, a lot of times we actually created that kind of blurb and that sentence anyway because we take it from the blog post and we just post it into something that's really kind of eye-catching and draws the user in, and then it pulls them directly into the right article. One of the things that we really liked about the MobiLoud suite and then the kind of applications in the feature set is that it allowed us to not only take information from our blog, but the menu actually allows you to put in hyperlinks to any part of your site. So we're actually able to kind of dynamically update the application with new stuff. So if I want to push people to a certain web page or a certain home page when they enter the app, I can dynamically do that, and it changes across all of the installs that are already of people who already download our app, 150,000 people in just a second, whereas I don't have to do continuous updates to the app, and I only have to update the app when there's something that changes on the developer side, like when Apple changes something or Android changes something. And the best part of that is that I don't actually do any of the work. The MobiLoud team takes care of doing all those updates for us. It's a really, really simple solution. I think everybody who has a blog should have a native application like MobiLoud because it's so simple to do and you're already doing all the work by creating the content for your blog.